My name is Iloza Bunchuku, reporting from Inwere Study and Resource Center in Enugu State in Nigeria, West Africa. Unemployment amongst Nigerian youths. The rate of unemployment amongst Nigerian youths has increased so rapidly in the last 2 years due to high population of youths. The high population of youths in the country is too much that the government cannot take control over that. Again, refusal to retirement. The old ones that are on seats do not want to retire so that the younger ones will take their position. I think the government should set a kind of program for the old ones to train the younger ones in their professions, and we can make a better tomorrow. Thanks. Iloza Bunchuku reporting.